Hey everyone, this is Anton. I just wanted to give you guys a video with the first few upgrades I've done to my vehicle. 2022 F-150 with the black appearance package. The first upgrade is the short antenna. All these upgrades I'll have in the link below. Next upgrade was to tint the front windows, the driver and passenger, to match the rears as close as possible. I believe it was a 15% tint that they used. The next upgrade I highly recommend is the Husky liner, wheel liners, and floor mats. So here's the floor mats. Here's what the rear one looks like. Does a good job and covers up the entire front and rear. And then here is the Husky liner for the wheel wells, for the rear wheel well, so it doesn't show the white paint of the box of the truck. The next upgrade was the Gator tonneau cover, the SRX soft roll-up. And it's got a nice low profile fit. Another update I did was it didn't have a bed liner, so we installed the Ford drop-in bed liner, which is pretty easy. There's some YouTube videos on how to install that pretty quickly. And then you have this second piece for the actual tailgate as well. Here's the license plate lights, nice white. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other upgrades you recommend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.